Hello, this is Bobby Miles from TexasSkidSteer.com. I'm showing you a Takeuchi TL130 that we have for sale. Good, solid, mechanically sound rubber track skid steer loader. Just going to take a walk around it and let you get a good look at it. I'm going to walk up here to the tracks. Let you get a good look at the tracks. Let you see that they still got good tread on them. Still got a good undercarriage. The main drive lugs still have a whole lot of life in them. Practically new. Step back and let you take a look at the front of the machine. It's got a smooth edge on it. This machine has controls similar to the Caterpillar, which are very nice. Just hand controls. Left hand, you just point it where you want to go and that's where you go. Right hand works the bucket and the boom. Has a good seat in it. This machine, by the way, is a 2-speed, which is a very nice option to have. Has auxiliary hydraulics to work all of your attachments. Now I'm going to turn the camera over and I'm going to get in it and demonstrate the machine for you. Just a good, honest, solid, ready to use skid steer loader from TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you for watching.